Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of September 6th in my Hobonichi Weeks planner that I use for social media, and I'm going to be using the Sweet Kawaii Design PSL kit, which is really cute. Actually, I think it's a PSL 2 kit because this was actually some of the PSL 1 kit from last year. So I pulled this, and then last week when I was trying to decorate my cousin pages, I'd cut off the top. So I might use like this little latte froth, and then I have some die cuts too from the shop. So we'll see what I want to do. I can't believe it's the 6th next week. I'm not sure if the numbers are technically supposed to go up and down or side to side, but I'm going to put them up and down. I hope everybody's doing good, having a nice week. Today is Friday. I'll be loading this video tonight, so it's up for tomorrow. This week went by fast. And then next week, it's going to be a quick one too, because my kids have off Monday for the holiday, and then Tuesday is teacher planning. So that will be super fast. Alright, so I think I'm going to put this day strip down first. A lot of times I find that I don't have it lined up properly, and I think it's because I put the other things down first. I like that Tasia gives you the washi for the top in the kits. I'm supposed to get some Sweet Kawaii Design Happy Mail today, and I've kind of been like a little bit obsessively trying to refresh my email to see if it's here yet, but it's not. Let me scoot that over a little bit. Oh, so speaking of pumpkin spice season, I was so excited. I went to Publix, which is our grocery store, yesterday, and I found my Giovanni creamer. Very excited. I think I might have squealed a little bit out loud at the store, but I was so excited. Hold on to this for a second. So I use this box for my filming days, just to keep track of that. And then I use everything on the left side and the planner for my post. And then these habit trackers I do with Facebook and Instagram posts, just to make sure I've done it. And then I usually write down exactly what I did on the other side. Alright, you know what? This is the top that I cut off. Let me see. Told you guys, this is like my favorite sticker, this espresso machine. It's so cute, so I'm gonna put it here. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. ideally I would post 2 to 3 times a day, so I like to have these little checklists so I can put the different pictures down. And then I'm just gonna take these boxes and stick them here, because I will also write down like the one like big thing that I want to be sure to post. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope everybody is having a wonderful beginning to their weekend. I will see you guys tomorrow back here. I'm gonna post my catch-all planner, my Sweet Kawaii design and Cricut paper planner. And yeah, so thanks for joining me. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.